how to loop your elastic through your hat. Right, I have 15 inches of millinery elastic, and it's that fine round elastic, and it's 15 inches, right? So you're going to take it from side to side. So you would gauge your hat on your head. Where would you want it? So I would put it about here to here. If it's a percher, it would be the same. So I'm going to put it half and half, right? So I start by threading. Can you see the size of my needle? I like to use a thick needle because sometimes it's easier than the smaller ones. And you thread your elastic through. Make sure that the eye of your needle is big enough. Sorry, that's my phone. Right. So take your elastic, take your hat, and you're going to loop it from the inside. So you loop it about there, not on the edge, somewhere in the middle. Take it through. With mine, I tie the end on there, the inside, I tie the end twice. And knot it. I'll not glue gun this. When I knot it and pull it through, I tend to put a little blob of glue from my hot glue gun there, so that keeps it so it doesn't pull through. And then I'll come over to the other side and I'll push it from the outside in. So that one comes from the inside out. This one now is going from the outside in. Make sure they're even and push through. When that comes through, I pull my needle out, so the needle's out, and I'll tie my bow. It doesn't matter if it ends up a little bit shorter than your 15 inches afterwards, but right, I would cut the excess bit off and then you pull it through. And again, I would put a blob of glue on there to hold it. And there you have it, attaching elastic to your percher hat.